You are gonna be manifesting so fast once you watch this video. I have been reading this book called The Secret, and I have so much books about manifesting, and I've been manifesting for so much years already. I've manifested a new job, I've manifested my first 50,000 pesos, I've manifested a new phone, laptop, iPad. I have all those things already. So let me show you what I've learned throughout all those years to make you or to help you manifest so fast. It felt like I really needed to share and create this video for you guys. So I have been like brainstorming like just the whole morning. Manifesting is actually so easy. The way that we manifest, just like how law of attraction teaches us, is that the secret to manifesting is basically whatever we're thinking, whatever we feel will become our reality. So it's basically, this is step one. An example is like, have you ever had that instance where you were like, okay, I want this food, and when you think about it, you basically feel it. You know how it tastes like. You can envision how you're eating it, who you're eating it with, how you feel once you've eaten it, and then magugulat ka na lang. You're gonna get surprised that you finally got, for some reason, you don't know how, but you got what you were trying, or you got what you were thinking about. You got what you were trying to manifest. And that's basically how you manifest. But the problem is, how are you gonna be manifesting something that you haven't felt yet? Something that you haven't achieved yet? Once you learn this, manifesting becomes so much easier and faster. Whatever you get, you receive it like in a snap. Oops, let me fix this. So, the way that you're gonna be doing this, so instead of your thoughts and your feelings becoming step 2, what you're gonna be doing is that this is step 2, and this is step 1. Okay? What you want to do to get what you want, the reality or the thing that you're manifesting to get what you want, is to basically feel it. So, in that desire, how would you feel? How would you feel? Okay? So, let's say you want to manifest more money. Okay? Let's say you want to manifest money. If you want to manifest money, how do you feel when you already have it? Okay? How do you feel when you already have it? So let's start, for example, let's just say you want to manifest 10,000 pesos. Okay? Let's say you want to manifest 10,000 pesos. How do you feel when you already have it? You would feel happy, right? You would feel happy, and you would feel like you have so much money. You wouldn't feel lack, right? You wouldn't doubt your own wallet. Like, whenever you open your wallet, you don't feel like, oh my gosh, it's empty. You won't feel that, right? So, it's basically also thinking, like, how would you act if you already have it? So, how would you feel, and how plus act. I'm so sorry for this handwriting. So, how would you feel and act? So, we're combining law of attraction plus law of assumption. I got this from this book, Becoming Supernatural by Dr. Joe Dispenza. You should read this book, guys. It's so good. But before manifesting something that you want, your body should know what it feels like. Every day, be delusional. Think or act as if you already have that desire that you want. So, let's say 10,000 pesos. If you had 10,000 pesos, you wouldn't hesitate to spend, right? So, when it comes to feeling things, your thoughts naturally occur. Or occur. So sorry. Occur, whatever. So your thoughts will naturally occur. So you wouldn't let your thoughts dictate what you're feeling. Because your thoughts, this is just basically an illusion. This is an illusion. This is an illusion. Everything is an illusion of your mind. Instead of your thoughts trying to tell you that, hey, this is the reality. You don't have money yet. This is the reality. You don't have enough money to spend on the thing that you want yet. You don't have it yet. You can't let your thoughts dictate what you're feeling. You have to let your feelings dictate your thoughts. No matter what you're seeing right now. Whatever you see in your reality, oh my god, whatever you see in your reality, in your 3D, in the physical plane, even though it's not there yet, your manifestation, even though it's not there yet, you have to feel like it's there yet. Okay? This book talks about that more deeply, but I'm just giving you the summary. Whatever you feel, okay? So, just act as if it already happened. Act as if it already happened. Act as if it already happened. You don't even have to think about this. Let's say there's a thought that came up, a limiting belief saying you don't have enough money yet. Don't react to it. Don't absorb that thought and feel that thought. Just observe it. Just like watch it go through. Like, oh, that's a human emotion. That's a human emotion. But don't absorb it. Okay? You still have to feel as if. Okay, your dominant thought, your dominant emotion, that's what's gonna be manifesting in your life. Me, even if I have manifested more than this amount, like the biggest amount that you can even imagine, I manifested that amount. And you cannot tell me that I had no thoughts saying I don't have this money or I can't achieve this amount of money. I had thoughts like that. The difference is that I didn't let that thought consume me. I didn't let that thought dictate what I was feeling. I would spend so much money as if I had it. Like, there was this time I literally had almost nothing in my bank account. But did you know what I did? I wanted a laptop as a gift, okay, for a loved one. I wanted this laptop. And even though my bank account or my 3D reality told me that I don't have that much money, I still bought it. Why? Because I know that if I had that amount of money, let's say 100,000 pesos, if I had 100,000 pesos, I wouldn't hesitate, right? I would not hesitate to buy a new laptop fully paid in cash. Okay? I wouldn't hesitate. And that's what I did. And did you know what happened after I bought that laptop? The week after, I received more money. That's how law of attraction and law of assumption works. This is basically how you can manifest illegally so fast overnight in a snap. You don't have to worry about how it happens, when it happens, how it's gonna happen. You just have to let it go and just feel. This is your only task, to feel as if it already happened, to act as if it already happened. This is basically the only step. Okay? I'm gonna remove this because this is the only step. This is the only step. This isn't even a step. Don't let your thoughts consume you. This is how you manifest. The techniques, the affirmations, the scripting, all the techniques that you see online, those are just things that could help you feel as if you already have it. You just have to find a technique that works for you. So that's it. I hope this video helps you. And if you want more videos like this, just let me know.